What's up guys? In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to install PUBG Mobile on your Windows computer. Now PUBG Mobile is obviously a mobile game, but you can install the Android version of that game onto your computer and use your keyboard and mouse to play. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is install an Android emulator on your computer, and the best emulator, at least for PUBG Mobile, should be Gameloop. So simply go to gameloop.com, go ahead and download and install the emulator, and once you're done, simply launch Gameloop emulator on your computer, and this is what it should look like. Now if you want a detailed tutorial on how to download and install Gameloop on your Windows PC, then you can watch that. I'll link it down below. But once you install Gameloop, the Android emulator, you can now go ahead and look for PUBG Mobile. Now usually you'll find it up there in the best in popularity list, but if you don't find it there, you can simply do a quick search of PUBG and you should see PUBG Mobile. So you want to click on it, and the reason I'm recommending Gameloop emulator is because Gameloop is owned by Tencent, which is the same company that makes PUBG Mobile. So once you find and open PUBG Mobile, all you need to do now is click install, and PUBG will be downloaded and installed on your computer, of course using Gameloop as the gaming client. It might take you a while because PUBG is a huge game, so you might want to look around for some other games you might want to install in the process, or even applications. But you can use the download option right here to track the progress of the download. Now I'm just gonna pause the video right here and come back when the download is complete. So once it's done, it's gonna load up PUBG, and you can see it's by Tencent Games. It's the legitimate PUBG game on your Windows computer. So wait for PUBG to load. It may take some time if it's your first time playing PUBG. Now at this point I'm just gonna go ahead and minimize Gameloop and just remain with PUBG on my screen. And as you can see, a few additional packages will be installed before you can start playing PUBG. Once all the packages have been installed, you should now be ready to play PUBG. So go ahead and agree and accept all, and then you can log in with Twitter or Facebook, or you can click more. You can log in with your username and password combination by clicking on phone/email, or you can simply play as a guest. Click on agree, go through all the pre-gaming steps. On the right hand side, you can see the default controls. You can see we're going to use W, A, S, and D on our keyboard to move forward, backwards, right, and left. Of course, you're going to use the mouse to turn around, and all the buttons you're going to need are going to be there by default. Also, if you want to, you can tweak the display settings by clicking on this little editing link, and that will open Gameloop settings, where you can change the specific settings for PUBG Mobile. You can change the resolution, the graphics quality, and also the FPS or frames per second of your gameplay. I'm just gonna leave mine at that first of all, and minimize Gameloop once again. And there you go. So welcome to PUBG. Go ahead and I'm just gonna get into training just for demonstration. And there you go. So use W to move forward. Now of course you can maximize the screen and use the full screen of your Windows computer, and you'll also continue learning the controls as you go. Of course, once you go through the training course, you'll be able to change the controls and customize to exactly what you want. But that's basically how to install and play PUBG Mobile on your Windows computer. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.